Hi everybody, Lori here from BrushFalls Studios. So I've been contemplating, I have some bare walls in my house and I need to create something that would hold the space. So of course we make art here on our channel and I would love to show you some mock-ups that I'm thinking about.
When did we start doing that?
Today. We started today. This guy's got ideas all the time. You know us women, we talk and think all the time.
Did you get hurt?
I had steam coming out of my head. anyways, I have millions and millions. No, just kidding. I have a lot of art but I've never created any art for my house. So today I'm going to do some trial and error. Hopefully, just trial and see if I can create something beautiful. So my husband behind me has got allergies, and excuse him, but let's see what we can do. Come on down to the canvas. This is a 24 by 18 by 24, 18 by 20.
18 by 24.
18 by 24. Okay. So come on down to the canvas. I got an 18 by 24 going on here. I already sprayed the back of it with water to make the canvas tight. Okay, first thing I have is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt. We have Artist Loft Permanent Magenta. I've already thinned this out. This is fairly thin. I've customed this with Amsterdam Azo Yellow Medium with Cadmium Yellow Medium. This is what this one looks like. Oh. And I've customed this color also. These are two Artist Lofts. Yes, I got this on clearance. It's a good deal. Violet, Dioxazine, and Prussian Blue. It's more purpley than blue, but it's so pretty.
I always shop the clearance aisle.
I know, right? And I've got this chocolate pudding color. I wanted a little bit of a richer brown. We'll see how this fits into this composition, but burnt umber and raw umber. Okay. And of course, this is just a white.
Titanium white
from Blix, and we're going to see how that incorporates as well. So let's do this. Hi again, it's me, Lori. I am very hard on myself when I create paintings. I just wanted to, my husband stopped me in my tracks and said lots of beautiful things. So he wants to share that with you. So come on over.
Oh no!
Oh no. All right, guys, I brought Larry over here because 9 times out of 10, I'm very hard on myself when I do paintings. I'm such a perfectionist. It's not even funny. It's actually a sickening obsession sometimes. But I did this painting. I didn't like it. I thought it looked like crap. But then Larry comes over here and tells me a different angle to what I just said, didn't say. Yeah, so did I say that right?
Close enough. Good enough for government work anyway. So if we'll come back down to the canvas, I'm going to point out all of the things that I liked about this painting that Lori did not, or that she was concerned about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here. I love this red stripe that comes through the yellow, and I'm starting to like all of the little brown cells that are popping up through it here. Over here, we've got like little fingers of titanium white coming through the pewter or the umber colors. And it's just a neat effect that you don't see a lot. I'm liking all the kind of lavenderish cells coming through this fuchsia color. She's getting amazing cell actions on this. Even the little pewter swirl here with the colors in the middle of it. This is a really neat painting. And the colors all work together, and we didn't have a whole lot of mud that got mixed up into it. This is fantastic.
These little green cells are cool too.
Oh yeah, turning green. I love it.
Yeah. Thank you for enjoying my videos and supporting us. We actually, my last video, I shared that we were like 6 away from being at 1,000 subscribers, and we overdid it. We did it.
I think we're at 1010
10
as of this
10 right
morning.
now. Yeah. So that's so exciting. Thank you for your support. Kisses for everybody.
I'll be jealous though.
Right? Okay, so we'll see you at the next show. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.